Yo, 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 yo! As always, mabuhay ang Bayan Pilipinas. Maayong adlaw tibok kalibutan. Binisita ni Secretary Art Tugadi ang construction ng North-South Commuter Railway Project kasama dito ang Bukawi at Balagtas Station. Pansin agad ang malaking pag-usad ng naturang proyekto sa loob lamang ng 6 na buwan kahit pa nasa krisis ng pandemya. Makikita mo ang lawak dahil nakadisenyo ito para sa 8 train cars at may abang pa ito para sa 10 train cars. Kahalintulad ang mga ito sa train station ng bansang Japan at inaasahan ang partial operability ng dalawang istasyon sa may Bukawi at Balagtas sa buwan ng Oktubre 2022.
I'm really very happy to be with you today. I saw what was happening in Bukawi. I saw what is happening in Balagtas. Of course, there will be comparisons. I am very excited about Balagtas, where we stand right now. I was talking with Abby, and I asked Abby, I said, Abby, just tell it to me straight. I have the concept of partial operability. When do I see partial operability on this project? And then Abby looked at his calendar and said, Sir, honestly, we can have partial operability by October 2022 next year. And the partial operability is between Bukawi and Balagtas. A lot, therefore, depends on how Bukawi can be triggered to a completion similar to what we are seeing in Balagtas right now. I hope and I pray that the partial operability as envisioned on this particular project between Bukawi and Balagtas can really materialize at the latest on October of 2022. You know why I say at the latest? Because I was informed that with the pace of work being done in Balagtas right now, I was informed by Abby that they are really advanced in work between 3 months to 5 months. I hope that the same realization can happen in Bukawi so that everything can be accelerated for the people of Bulacan to enjoy the partial operability of that long dream of having this train operation from Tutuban to Clark. Alam niyo ho, I will translate in English later. Alam niyo ho, I introduced the concept of partial operability. Before, nothing can start unless the project is completed. So that considering this project, if this project will be viewed in relation to the practice in the past, nothing will be experienced until we reach 2025, when it is expected to be fully operational. I said when I assumed the administration of the Department of Transportation, I said, I will introduce the concept of partial operability so that when we have partial operability, even if a project is not fully and completely done, the people can experience the project. Hindi na ho tayo mag-aantay na matapos yung kabuuan ng proyekto upang sa ganon ang mga kababayan natin ay ma-experience yung proyekto. Kaya nga ba, under that concept, kung yung konsepto nung nakaraan, mangyayari lang po yan na ma-experience natin masakyan yung mga tren dito from Tutuban to Clark, hindi ho next year, hindi sa 2023, hindi sa 2024, kundi sa 2025 na kung saan ine-expect natin na matapos yung proyekto. Yung konsepto ng partial operability, sinasabi natin, kung matatapos, yung Tutuban, kung matatapos yan, hindi ba napakaganda, ladies and gentlemen? Isn't it beautiful that before 2025 or 2026, the people of the Republic of the Philippines and the people of Bulacan can experience the beauty, the comfort, and reliability of riding the train from Tutuban to Clark. In that way, when there is partial operability, no one can stop the project. because it is already there. Because the program is already there. Because it is funded by JICA. Ito ho yung pamaraan na kung saan hindi ho madedeterminan ang resulta ng eleksyon kung ang proyekto ay matutuloy o hindi. Pagkat dito sa proyektong ito, magbuhat tutuban hanggang Clark, meron na hong plano, meron ng alignment, meron ng pondo, meron ng programa, lahat nakakasana. And it is just in a matter of time when you, the people of Bulacan, when us, the people of the Republic, can enjoy the comfort, reliability, and convenience of riding a train from Tutuban to Clark at worst in 2025, end of 2025. But now we are here. In Balagtas, we have seen in Bukawi, we have seen the start of the realization of a dream that once upon a time, many administration nagplano, nangarap, walang nangyayari. Tayo ho sa administrasyon Duterte, yung plano at pangarap noon nakaraan ay nabibigyang kabuhayan at patotoo. Kaya nga ngayon, mahalaga yung nandito tayo upang sa sariling mata natin, makita at maramdaman natin na ang proyektong ito, magbuhat tutuban hanggang Clark, ay talagang totoong-totoo. Under the leadership of President Mayor Rodrigo Roa Duterte. And so today, having said that, I see the start and the realization of a dream. And because I see the start and the realization of a dream, I am very happy. I am very happy because we have the local governments here. I am very happy because we have JICA here. I am very happy because we have the contractors here. I am very happy because we have the workers over there trying to witness. Sir, kayong mga trabahante, saludo ako sa inyo, ipagmalakin nyo yung trabahong Pilipino para sa proyektong Maka Pilipino. And so we are here today. I'm happy. Pandemic or no pandemic, we must make a resolve that we will finish this project. Matagal at matagal din nangarap ang Pilipino. Ngayon may pagkakataon na tayo na yung pangarap na yan ay mabibigyang buhay at patotoo sa administrasyon Duterte. Again, thank you today for joining me. It is a hard climb coming here. But okay lang ho, maski mahirap umakyat, lalo na kung may diferensya ang paa. Pagkat yung hirap na yon ay binigyan ng kaligayahan sa aking nakikita. By the way, just to show you, Salima, just to show you how meticulous I am, I asked Abi, sabi ko, Abi, bakit iba-iba yung kulay ng bubong? Some are white, some are grayish. And then Abi told me, Sir, in due time, magiging pare-parehong white yan. Yung bubong lang ngayon, merong yellow, heavy little bit yellow, but time has a way of making it white. Sabi niya, 3 bagtang na lang, makukumpleto na yung bubong. Sabi ng Bukawi contractor, antayin mo yung Pebrero, magkakaroon na rin ng bubong. Kung pagsasama-samahin natin yung trabaho sa Bukawi, trabaho sa Balagtas, indeed it can be said today, people of Bukawi, people of Balagtas, people of Bulacan, on the assurances of JICA, on the assurances of the contractor, you will witness partial operability by October of 2022. Sa inyong lahat ho, magandang umaga. I'm very happy to be here with you today.
At sa mga bagong subscribers natin, maraming salamat. As always, mabuhay ang Bayan Pilipinas.